Welcome to the Schaefer Chefs. And we're making meatballs, which means spaghetti instead of just meatballs. This is Ben, I'm Claudia. We are the Schaefer Chefs. Well, Ben, what should we start with? The meatballs or the spaghetti? Spaghetti. So our ingredients are eggs.
That's Italian spice.
Italian spice. Breadcrumbs. Onion and sugar.
Well, the sugar's for the sauce.
Sugar.
But?
And we have meat. Meat. We're going to start cooking here in about right now. Let's just put our clothes on. But I want to cook too. You're going to cook, right? Fire.
That has nothing to do with our kitchen right now. It's just meat.
Hey, there's a robot back there. Leave it alone. So we don't touch all the ingredients with our hands, and then we have to eat it with our hands being touched by every ingredient. Make it!
All right.
So now we're going to add the, what is that?
Onion.
Can you pour it in there?
Yes. Put in.
I'm going to scoot this closer for you guys, okay?
Yeah.
A little far away.
Eggs first.
Next we're going to put in,
Can you talk us
The
through what's going on here,
breadcrumbs.
chefs?
Well, we're gonna make these meatballs first, and then we're gonna get to the sauce, and then we're gonna make some of the noodles. This is Italian spice.
And Ben, what do you think about that?
Gloves.
Gloves.
all right, I'm going to chop a little bit of garlic for you guys to put in there, okay?
You having some problems with your gloves, Chef Ben?
Yes. Well, lately we have been cleaning up our house, and we are we're finished with our kitchen because we're getting a new kitchen done, and it's almost finished. We just need a few touches, and then we are finished.
Scoop it in. Tap. And open it up. Here, no, we use those glovies. There we go. Careful not to get any shell in there, okay? And now what do we do next?
Mix it.
Yeah!
You mix.
All right. Good work.
All right, Claudia, we're going to show them how we mix. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
All right.
And when you mush, it kind of feels weird, but it is food, and this is how you need to mix it. You can't use like a spoon or anything, because that wouldn't help. And now we're going to roll them into balls.
There you go. All right. Now look nice and mixed.
Yes.
Okay. We're going to take the gloves away from Chef
Hey, Chef Ben,
Ben.
what's your favorite food?
Spaghetti!
Whoa, and what are we making?
Spaghetti's making! We have been cleaning most of our life and snuggling with our precious dog, Maxie!
Do we think the chefs should be playing with the dog before they're about to touch food?
No!
All right. We're going to take a break for some hand washing.
Now, as you see, we're gonna make the meat into balls, and we're gonna put them in the oven, and then we will start making the sauce while we're waiting for the meatballs to be ready out of the oven. Rolling the meat into meatballs.
Chef Ben, what do you got there?
Honey.
What are you cutting? That seems like a pretty big knife for you, buddy.
How about you put that down, Mr. Chef Ben?
Can I see
think
that,
I know
Ben?
we
Can
got
you
out.
set
You
that
got
down?
out.
Yeah, let's set that down, please. There we go.
Leave it right there. Good boy.
Chef Claudia, what do you think about Chef Ben playing with knives like that?
I don't think that's pretty. I don't think that's She's only 3 and I'm 7. Oh, Ben, what should we talk about right now? Ben, let's get an idea of what we should talk about. What should we talk about right now? Cooking.
Cooking?
Yes. Well, cooking is very special in our house right now because Mom is dying to cook for a lot of days. And cooking is very special to Dad and me and Ben. Baxter, he doesn't care about cooking. He cares about eating. And
Very true.
cooking is a special activity that we do for fun sometimes, so we can, like this. We're doing this for fun because we want some people to know how to make this stuff, and as we go through it, it tells them how to make it. Well, I have been straightening up the house, hanging out, art, involved with math, and fire.
What do you do after school?
Taekwondo and basketball.
Chef Ben, can you tell us what you're doing?
Well, the meatballs that are already rolled, he's rolling them back up.
You double rolling?
They look-
Snakes.
Into snakes.
Into snakes?
Can we have
He's
Actually,
making
Mom,
meat snakes over here.
What's a meat snake, Chef?
it's just a meatball, but it's shaped into a snake.
Is that accurate, Chef Ben? Is that what a meat snake is? Can you tell us about that technique you're using?
All right.
So what advice do you have for people, Claudia, since everybody's staying in and trying to stay healthy and keep everybody from getting sick? What should people do?
Make activities, and if you have kids, maybe you should homeschool them. Homeschool them at your house if you would like to. My parents made this little board for me. I have math, books, 5-minute lesson, and fitness on it. So I have to do that every day until spring break. But after spring break, since the sickness is still going around, my mom and dad might homeschool me until next year. So if you need that advice, why don't you keep cooking too? Because cooking is a good activity. Well, what should we do right now when we're on break? Ben, what should we do? Make a meatballs. No, we're on break right now, so what should we do? Put the meatballs in the oven. Yeah. So, I'll grab a tray, you can grab that, and I'll grab this end. Here, grab an end.
All right, Claudia, how long do we?
Just put the meatballs in. So now what should we do, Ben? Cook it. What should we talk about right now, Ben? Cooking? Yeah! Yeah, what should we cook tomorrow? Meatballs! Now it's time to make the sauce.
Chef Ben, do you often go barefoot in the kitchen?
Yes.
Do you give it 2 thumbs up? Okay. The chef doesn't know how to do that, does he?
Ben, look. This is how you do it. Put your thumbs up like this. Put your thumbs up like this, Ben. See? Put this thumb up. Let's keep these 2 thumbs up. See? Thumbs up. Well, we got some garlic in this pan sizzling right now. And we're about to pour some tomato sauce in here.
Crushed tomatoes.
What do you think about that, Chef?
That looks good. Let me see. Oh, yes.
Benny, this is oregano, thyme, and red pepper. Can you say that?
Oregano and pepper.
What was that, Chef Ben?
He said it's oregano, thyme, and pepper. No, I'm going to do it.
Chef Ben, can you walk us through your technique?
Yes.
Okay.
He's gonna walk you through his technique right now.
Okay.
Oh, he's showing you his walking technique.
Oh, is that your walking technique? Oh.
The noodles are cooked and the meatballs are good baked.
And Ben, what were you gonna say?
We're gonna mix the noodles.
A few noodles in a bowl there.
What are you doing, Chef Claudia?
I am putting my meatballs and sauce in.
That looks good.
Good job, Chef Ben.
All right, what do you want to say to your audience?